Yeah. So, my name is Mohammed Kaus. I work as a sales manager here, and we are participating in this budget homes promoting three properties. One is Mandarin, and one is Lakefront. The other one is Marina and Shine. And the main project what we are showcasing here is Shine, because the budget starts from 21 lakhs, goes up to 72 lakhs. That's the maximum budget, and that's near Karipatur, which is close to Sirisiri, just 500 meters from Sirisiri entrance. And we've got one more property called Mandarin, which comes within the city limit, and that's in Thuraipakam, just opposite to DB Jain College. And the budget starts there from 49 lakhs, goes up to 1 crore and 86 lakhs. That's a, like luxury apartments. And sizes starts from 622, and maximum size is 2375. And we have one more project, semi-independent houses kind of thing, which is called Lakefront, Radiance Lakefront, where the minimum budget starts from 1 crore and 64 lakhs and goes up to 2 crores. That's our main. And Radiance, we have been in this real estate business for almost 7 years, and we have delivered 6 projects in last 3 years. The main strength of the company is like on-time delivery and the quality.
Any special offer or schemes that you have for this 3 days exhibition?
No, price is already a competitive price in every location. Where if you see a construction, we are almost in the we are out of the ground. Even if you take Shine, which is almost in the 11th floor now, and we started the plastering. And in the same arena, same location, the prices are almost like 4,000 rupees. We are quoting 3,850. That's the price. And if you take Mandarin, which is in the 3rd floor level now, and the same location prices are at 8,000 rupees per square feet.
So how is the response over this?
Response, because today is a weekend, so it's slowly picking up. Yesterday, I think we hardly had walk-ins. I think it will improve in the evening and tomorrow.
So which areas are you focusing in future? Other areas that you're planning?
Sir, as such, we have all our properties in OMR. Probably it's a management decision to find out the plots and where the property is being developed.
இப்போ customers கேட்கறதுல இன்னும் வேற ஏதாவது areas prospective நினைக்கிறீங்களா?
Prospective people are asking for Porur, அந்த மாதிரி ஏரியாலாம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க, பட் ஐ எம் நாட் ஷுர், லைக் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் டிசிஷன் தான் அதெல்லாம்.
எந்தெந்த பேங்கோட உங்களுக்கு அசோசியேஷன் இருக்காங்க?
We have time with the SBI, HDFC, ICICI, LIC, Punjab National Bank. I mean all the institutions, leading institutions எல்லாரோட tie up இருக்கும்.
இந்த 4 ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ்லயும் காமன் எமினிட்டிஸ் என்னென்ன?
See, it's kind of a gated community, and it depends on the sizes of the project. For example, if a Mandarin எடுத்தீங்கன்னா it's almost 3.5 acresல, it's kind of it comes with all the amenities. அதே மாதிரி ஷைனா வந்து 3.08 acresல எல்லா அம்யூனிட்டிஸுமே இருக்குது. இன்றைக்கி எனி ப்ராஜெக்ட் யூ நேம் இட், லைக் இட் கம்ஸ் வித் அன் அம்யூனிட்டிஸ். லேக் ஃப்ரண்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் 1.5 acresல 30 row ஹவுசஸ் அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுறோம். அண்ட் அகைன் இட்ஸ் கம்ஸ் வித் அம்யூனிட்டிஸ்.
So இது radiance வந்து it's only here in Chennai or you are planning for any?
Now, as such, we have our properties in Chennai we are developing, and we are planning to expand it to Bangalore and Kunur.
Great, sir.
Thank you so much.